Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesadu Sitantolon, Papa Oloyin kan, Papa Oloyin original. I am living at Iyesiota, Papa Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. I am not at Ijebu. I am not Baba Oloyin Ijebu. So some people they are paying to that boy. That boy that is claiming to be Baba Oloyin original. Is claiming to be Baba Oloyin original son. He get his own father, but he want to claim another father. I don't owe him. I don't know the person. But I only know that it's advertised on Facebook. That is Baba Oloyin original. The money some people cannot pay to me, they are paying to him. I came to YouTube. I told you about that boy. I put his face on Facebook. I put his face on my YouTube. Some people are so foolish. They are paying to that boy again. I told you the phone number. This is the phone number the boy is using. I'm not the one using that number. Some people are foolish. They are still paying to him. When they complain to me, I said, I don't know him. You have to pay for my own. Then they are paying. You have to pay for my own. I asked one woman, did you go to school? She said she went to school. If you went to school, you will not fall to that boy. That boy is a real criminal. He's a scammer. We put his name that we have reported him to Facebook. Facebook never do anything to him. He even went to the extent of open account on behalf of Baba Oloyin original. Because whenever he give account to some people, they will not respond. So he used his brain. Those people who open account at the main road, he open account through them. They claim it to Baba Oloyin, and some people are paying to him. If you happen to pay to that boy, don't call me. You are from this. Don't call me for that one. I beg you in the name of God. If you pay to that boy, the money you cannot pay to me, every money you are paying to that boy. Yes, some people they are paying 50,000, 100,000 to that boy. The money I can never charge, that boy is charging them, and they are paying. I don't know the type of soap you use for that people. Yes, don't call me for that one. Don't call me. If you fall to that boy, Yusuf, Betros, Ebola. Yes, Ebola, you must say like you will do sacrifice for life. If you fall to that boy, Yusuf, Betros, Ebola, he is claiming to be Baba Oloyin original son. He loaded all my pictures, all my photos on Facebook, all my photos on YouTube. He loaded it on his own side. I am wonder. I'm still wondering why Facebook has never blocked that boy. Because I always reported that boy. I don't know this boy. I registered Baba Oloyin original ventures since 2006, March 10, 2006. How can somebody again go and do another YouTube, do another Facebook, claiming to be Baba Oloyin original, and you open account with a bank, and that bank didn't ask for certificate of registration? I will mention the name of that bank when time comes. I've written 2 letters to them through courier services. If answer is not taken, I will mention the name of the bank, because that bank is aiding fraudulent activities. Yes, if not, you will not allow that way to tarnish your image. I built this my name for the past 22 years. I've been in this business. If somebody call me for something, if I don't know, I will tell them, sorry, I don't know this thing. I'm not Mr. Know-all. I always tell people, look, this thing you ask me, I don't know it. When I know how to treat soap, when I treated some people, they didn't appreciate. I stopped that one. Yes, the man that came to me for soap is a millionaire. Yes, somebody who said they should come and thank me is a millionaire. But the same person, this man that was sick, told the man that no need to go and appreciate. The man don't need noise. The man don't like noise. Those people following me, I thank you. I always thank you. Before this book was released, many people are giving me money. Even the money I spent for printers, some people have paid for it. Before the book was released last week, many people, they are giving me money. You don't know me. Some people, they don't know me. They are praying for me. Ọmọ yín ò ní dààmú. Ọmọ yín ò ṣoríire. Ogun tó bá ṣẹ́ fún yín ò ní padà mọ́. ogun tó bá ṣẹ́ fún yín kò ní gbérí mọ́, ogun tó bá ṣẹ́ fún yín náà kò ní padà sórí mi, aya mi àtọmọ mi. All the things you do in this book will work for you, and all your problems will be solved by the special grace of God, and that problem will not come over to me and my children by the special grace of God. Some people, they are suffering. Oh, níyà tó lè sáré fún ẹ. You don't have mother that can run around for you when you have problem, especially those who are not in Nigeria. Àwọn tí ò tó nǹkan tí ọmọ tu ẹ̀, wọ́n máa gbá yín ṣeré. Yes. Yes. Ẹlòmíì ò mọ nǹkan kan. Ebi lé mi dé ló sọ wọ́n di oníṣègùn ló sọ wọ́n di wòlíì káàkiri. I'm sorry to say. This book is released now, African Power. You can see. It's now released to the market. Yes. Released to the market. I told you, if you watch my story, at the age of 10, I've been documenting message for people in my village during the Agbekoya days. When they went to front war, when they come back, they call me to judge medicine for them. Yes. And for some people who don't know me, I'm telling you that Iragberi family, Osun State, our people, they migrated from Iragberi. Ọmọ ewé gbogbo kìkì ògùn ògùn tí ò bá jẹ́ ewé ẹ̀ ní òpè ọmọ ewé kan ni mo pè ìgbéwé ló jẹ́ mi lójú ọlọ. Yes, see my mark. See, I don't use Vero to mark it. See, ọmọ ẹkùn tó fi torítorí ọmọ ẹkùn tó fi tìrùtìrù àgbèrè ọ̀kan ọmọ yòórò ọmọ àṣewọmójúlé kókókó. Yes, we are born with herbs and leaves. Nǹkan bá ń wú tó bá ń sapá báyìí á sọ fún mi pé kọ́ lọ jókòó lẹ̀. Yes. Right from my childhood days, I've been practicing this. My father used to call me, say, "Son, come, sit down. You want to be a balance in future?" I say, "No." But all these people you are following, they are doing these things. What do you like to become? I say, "I'd like to become a journalist. I'd like to become a UBS student." Because that time when I used to listen to radio station, I will hear people like Larewaju Adepoju, Adebayo Babapa, Adebayo Faleti of the blessed memory. I will listen to them. I will listen to Babawa, this Ogodale Foyam of blessed memory. Alabi Ogundepo is there. Kọ́lọ̀ kó fún lẹ́mìí gígùn. Alabi Ogundepo. Hey, Monumento Rora Sáré o. I used to hear those people when I was in secondary school. Right from my secondary school, I used to read poems during the assembly time. Yes. My father used to tell me, "I don't want to become a balance." I said, "No, I don't want." But I used to move with elders. They will be giving me information. Then when I reach Lagos, all the people I move with Kerubu and Seraphim, Celestia, all these churches, go to Ebute Metta, all these people, ask me, they tell you. House of me. At Ebute Metta, Odunfa Street. Whenever they are doing Odunfa, this Ifa something every year, you will see me here. Yes. Because I used to write news for them, the newspaper, record their advice. I used to record their voices for one day film that time. Yes. Mi ò ṣe tó jáde lọ́sàn-án àga o. Yes, I've been this thing for long. If I tell you something, you believe it. This is African Power. Yes, this is African Power. It's released to the market now. The book is costly. Yes, it's expensive. More than my other books. You don't have mother who can run around for you. You can buy this book. Yes, you will treat yourself. You see yourself there. It's a spiritual book. It's expensive. It's costly than all my other books. Yes, you can come to Baboloye post stop, Yesota, to buy the book. Baboloye post stop, Yesota. When you reach Shango or you reach Toge, tell them you are going to Baboloye place. They will direct you. They will direct you. You are coming from Agbara side. Drop at Iyanayesi. From Iyanayesi, take Okada Obaruwa to Baboloye post stop. Adebisi Yesiota. This is the book. It's here. It's a spiritual book. You know, I told you about orange. Orange trees normally stay in the bush. It is human being that will labor themselves to find it. Yes, Igbo lọ́sàn wà, ọmọ ayé ló ń lànà ló bá. When you use these things, your luck will find you. Some people, they are being appointed as commissioners. They are ministers. Some are ambassadors. Some of them, they don't belong to any political party. They will unpick them. Say, this one is a former lecturer at so university. This one is a former lecturer at Akara Kengbe University. Your own luck will find you. In this book, I told you before that those who are looking for breast enlargement, I know of a man who divorced his wife because the wife got a small breast. He came to me. I did some preparation for the woman. After 2 months, the breast came out. I told her, would you like to marry your husband again? Say yes. But the parents, her parents are insisting that she should not go back. I said, maybe you have children for the man. I said, yes, he has 2 children for, go and marry the man again. No other person will take care of your children. The woman took to my advice. Later, she brought her husband to me to thank me because the breast was out. I told you about our senior brother who married. Her penis very small. She couldn't enter the very day of marriage. Our elder man, the town, they helped the man, the senior brother. The secret is here. And I release it to people. Yes. So breast enlargement, penis enlargement is in this book. It's one of the things that made this book to cost. Ọbẹ̀ tó dùn, owó ló pa á. Yes. Ọbẹ̀ tó dùn, owó ló pa á o. Today, before I go, I will tell you about your breast, your toothbrush. Your toothbrush can cause you problem. Yes, toothbrush. You will be surprised how this one come again. Yes. If we are using toothbrush, after using it, these cobwebs, this damage, commonly, if you happen to touch your toothbrush, the second day you fail to wash the brush thoroughly before you put magnesia and brush, you will get this swollen mouth. Yes, our father, when they were in the bush, despite the fact they are educated, yes, when they use stick finish, they will wash it. When they put it somewhere, the second day, before they use it, they will take water to wash the stick. They will wash it very well before they put it to their mouth. Some people, they are in hurry. Yes, they are in hurry. Hurry for work, hurry for shop, hurry for house, hurry for school. When they get this brush, the one they used yesterday, they put it somewhere, just on the table or anywhere. This chemist, only they will get their lick it. And once they lick it, when you talk to people, they will be doing like this for you. Your mouth will be smelling. Somebody call his mother, Mama mi, ẹnu mi máa ń rùn. My mouth is smelling to people. The mother said, hey, don't you wash your mouth every day? I used to wash my teeth. Even in the office, I get special brush. When it is time to do any meeting, I will first of all go to the toilet, wash my teeth. Still, when I reach the meeting place, people will still use handkerchief, use paper to blow their mouth for me, to blow their nose for me. Mama mi, ẹnu mi rùn. The man came to me. I look at him and said, your problem is with your brush. He was shocked. Say yes. when this Omele chemist used to, everybody knows, used to hang on the floor like this. Yes. If you want to make mark on you, it will never come down to you. It will be on top of the roof and will make a mark for you. Some people, when they wake up, they will see mark that they are beaten by this James Omele. Yes, James. You see, genuine. They are the instrument for witches and wizards. So put your stick on the table. They happen to lick it. The second day you put it to your mouth. Then you are rushing to work. Anywhere you play, you go. You talk to customers. This your customer will do like this. They will go to another place. The product somebody is selling for 500. You are selling for 300. Still no market. You don't know that your twin stick or toothbrush has caused you into problems. Please, this is what you have to listen to me and watch me and follow what I'm saying. Yes. Kékeré ló dá yẹn lẹ́rù nù. Small things can cause problem for people. Small things that you don't take notice can cause problems for human beings. Your toothbrush or twin stick can put you into everlasting trouble. They give you a query in the office to come and defend. When you are about to defend it, you are talking, everybody's brain knows. What do you expect to happen? You can't finish everything today. Don't forget, this is a new book from Baba Oloye Original. Yes, Baba Oloye Original Ventures. You text your message on WhatsApp, I give your account number. You pay. The book is online. You can get it on your email. You can get it on your WhatsApp. Don't fall victim to this Yusuf Ebola Yusuf Bitrus Ebola is impersonating me. He has opened account with some banks, claiming to be Baba Oloye Original. I don't know him. He's claiming to be Baba Oloye Original of Ijebu. Baba Oloye Ijebu. He has loaded all my photos on Facebook. He promised some people to send books to them. He promised to send soap to them. He promised to help them with soap. Don't fall to him. If you fall to him, you are at your own risk. Don't call me. This is another advertisement against him. Those who know, tell those who don't know. I wonder why some people went to secondary school. My father used to tell us when we were young, I'm not sending you to school because of money. I am sending you to school to know the difference between right and your left. And your left. To know the difference between right and left. To know the difference between right and left. I gave the phone number. That is the phone number the boy is using. I'm not the owner of that number. Some people are now using that number to call the boy. Please, I want to avoid learning book. The boy collect every money from them. Yes. Every money. The money they cannot give me. They are now giving that boy. Those people giving that money, don't call me. Because I can curse you. Because I make announcement. Yes, I put the advertisement on Facebook more than 5 times. I'm not the owner. I'm not Baba Oloye Ijebu. I don't know him. He get his own father. Why should he be using my name to defraud people? He's a scammer. Don't fall to him. If you pay money to him, don't call me. Don't call me, I beg you, in the name of God. I've written letter to the bank the boy is using to stop him, to close the account immediately. If they don't close it, in the next 2 weeks, I will mention the name of that bank. I will mention the name of that bank to public. The boy is claiming Baba Oloye Original. He's collecting money from people. Yes. I've written to the bank that the bank should close the account for me. They should close. If they don't close, if I come to here again to mention the name of that account, yes. If they want to sue me, they will meet God. Yes. they will meet God. I don't know that boy because before they open account for me at my bank, they requested for my certificate of registration from Corporate Affairs Commission CAC, which I did. I don't know which account, which certificate that boy produced for them. That is left for them. That's your own wahala. Don't forget, you can get my book at Apollo Impostor. You can get original on it there also. Yes, Apollo Impostor Biesiota. You can go to my agent at Mushin, number 4, Alukola Street, Mushin. Number 4, Alukola Street, Mushin. You can go to Oshodi, BS Media Services, number 6, Everett Way. Number 6, Everett Way, Alasia Bus Stop, Alasia Oshodi. At Bariga, you can go to number 36. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. House for Big Mommy there. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. You see our products there. At Rulere, you can go to number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Opposite Power Holding. Opposite Power Holding, Akerele Rulere. Yes, you will see our products there. This book is very expensive. It's a spiritual book. Yes, I told you about excess. Yes, when the local fowl hatch finish, that excess, you can use it. You are going to break through all your ways. You buy this book, you see how to do it there. Your enemies will find you in your house, they will not meet you. It's in this book. How to do it. Power of needle. Yes, when you put a needle to a cloth like this, it will pass through. The thread can get problem. I told you how you can use 1 a.m. and 1 p.m. sand. When you get the sand, how to mix it with that thing with needle. It is in this book. When you get 1 a.m. sand, 1 p.m. sand, you mix it together. As you are mixing together like this, your head will swallow up like this. Yes, you will know that you collected the sands at the correct time. If you fail 2 minutes or 1 minute after, your head will not swallow. If you use that sand, it will not work. Then when you get this sand correctly, that when you are missing, your head is swelling like this, you can use it for 5 purposes. You can use it for 5 ways of that thing. You can put one in your car, put one in your house, put one in your pocket. Yes, if a woman put it in your bag, by the special grace of God, no evil things will before you. By the special grace of God. I told you this book is expensive. Don't ask me why. I will tell you. Our people, they carry many things to heaven. When they have account book, traditional medicine book, whenever they are working on it, if their wife is passing, they will close the account. What are you looking for? If any of their children happen to pass, when they open the account, they will close the account. Sayo, what do you want? Shogun, what do you want me to do for you? The account. When they die, the children will not know what to do with it. You pity me that I'm releasing small secret to the people. Some people, their papa get more than what I get, but they normally hide the secrets, and they have already died with the secrets. So those who appreciated what I'm doing, yes, they paid me even before I release this book. Some people, they appreciate. They normally appreciate that people you are trying. Only few people can do what you are doing. I thank you. Those people giving me money. I cannot do without thanking you. Yes, some people, they put extra. If you give me 500 naira, another person give me 500. When I add together, it's something. But some people, they pay correct money. When they practice what is in the book and they work for them, they also give me money. You can get the book on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. If you cannot come to our office and you cannot come to our agency at Mushin, I am not Baba Oloyin Ijebu. I don't know that boy. Don't fall to him. Baba Oloyin Ijebu. The son claiming to be the son of Baba Oloyin. Many people are falling to his trap. The money they cannot give me, they are doing Sarah. They are giving that boy. Don't forget my phone number is 0054749455. You can WhatsApp me. If you call me, the number doesn't go. I cannot put on the phone for 24 hours. No. Some people say, I want to talk to Baba. I want to talk to Baba. Send your message on WhatsApp. I will reply you. They will not do so. They want to be calling directly. How many people can I attend? In my WhatsApp, we receive more than 600 messages on WhatsApp every day. For phone, if I answer more than 20, after 1 hour, I will off the phone. Another 1 hour, I will put on the phone. Those who visit my house, who come personally to see me, they used to pity me self. Because when they are sitting and I'm receiving call, Baba, no wonder you don't always speak us. See what I'm experiencing. Yes, they used to pity me. Some people used to give me money self. When they see that, I can see that in my presence today, now you have answered more than 20 people. I said, that's it. Some people will be calling by 11 p.m., 12 p.m. They are Nigeria, not outside the country. They used to tell them, everybody have resting time. Because I used to reply some chats. When I'm busy replying chats, some people will be calling. Hey, can you do this for me? Can you do that for me? There are some things I cannot do. I cannot tell lie. Don't forget to watch my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. You know how many videos I posted here? To the extent that some people are reposting what I've already posted. Those people reposting the thing I've already posted. What you people can do for me is that anything they loaded, they posted, anytime they post something that I've posted before, what you, my fans, what I expect you to do is to write under their comment section, you are a thief. You are stealing this thing from Baba Oloyin Original Television. I think that one we made them to sit tight, to use their brain. Because some people, when they started their channels, they copy from my channels more than 5 episodes. They use this as a ladder. I think when you have already climbed the ladder, you should leave me with my own thing. Yes, I loaded 50 ways of using it. I loaded it free of charge on YouTube. 50 ways of using it. I loaded it for people to know me, that I'm not telling lie, that I have stuff in my head. But some people, they will be tapping coconut water and honey for brain. They stole it from my YouTube. How to use coconut water and honey so that you will not have a wasteful spending. They stole it from my channel. Bitter leaf and honey. They stole it from my channel. And all these things were written in my honey as a medicine. This new one, hashish, how you can use hashish. Hashish. How you can use hashish. They stole it from my channel. Yes. Some people will tell you to add salt to it. Some people will ask you to add Maggi to their own hashish. It's not work. Because they want to do corner. It's only hashish. Use hashish with soap to wash hatred from your body. Some people may have caused you before. Maybe that is affecting you. Till next time when you meet me, I remain blessed. God bless.